Top 10 Tourist Attractions in Spain. Spain is a country with a rich history and culture, and it is home to some of the most iconic tourist attractions in the world. From ancient ruins to modern masterpieces, there is something for everyone to enjoy in Spain. Here is a list of the top 10 tourist attractions in Spain. 1. The Sagrada Familia, Barcelona. The Sagrada Familia is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the most famous unfinished buildings in the world. Antoni Gaudí, one of the most celebrated architects of all time, designed the basilica. The Sagrada Familia is a masterpiece of Catalan Modernism, and it is sure to impress visitors with its intricate design and stunning architecture. 2. The Alhambra, Granada. The Alhambra is a Moorish palace and fortress complex that is considered to be one of the most beautiful buildings in the world. The Alhambra was built by the Moors during the 13th and 14th centuries, and it is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The palace is known for its intricate tilework, beautiful gardens, and stunning views of the city of Granada. 33. The Prado Museum, Madrid. The Prado Museum is one of the largest and most important museums in the world. The museum houses a collection of over 7,600 paintings, including works by some of the most famous artists in history, such as Velázquez, Goya, and El Greco. The Prado Museum is a must-see for any art lover. 4. The Guggenheim Museum, Bilbao. The Guggenheim Museum, Bilbao is a modern art museum that is considered to be one of the most important buildings of the 20th century. The museum was designed by Frank Gehry, and it is known for its unique design, which is made up of titanium, steel, and glass. The Guggenheim Museum, Bilbao houses a collection of modern and contemporary art, including works by Andy Warhol, Jeff Koons, and Damien Hirst. 5. The Mezquita-Catedral de Córdoba. The Mezquita-Catedral de Córdoba is a mosque cathedral that is considered to be one of the most important Islamic monuments in Europe. The mosque was built in the 8th century, and it is known for its stunning interior, which is covered in intricate Islamic tilework. The Mezquita-Catedral de Córdoba is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. 6. The Roman Theatre of Merida. The Roman Theatre of Merida is a well-preserved Roman theatre that was built in the 1st century AD. The theatre is located in the city of Merida, which was once a Roman colony. The Roman Theatre of Merida is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and it is used for performances and concerts today. 7. The Picasso Museum, Barcelona. The Picasso Museum is a museum dedicated to the work of Pablo Picasso. The museum is located in Barcelona, which was Picasso's hometown. The Picasso Museum houses a collection of over 4,200 works by Picasso, including paintings, sculptures, and drawings. 8. The Costa del Sol. The Costa del Sol is a popular tourist destination that is known for its beautiful beaches, stunning scenery, and vibrant nightlife. The Costa del Sol is located in southern Spain, and it is home to some of the most popular tourist resorts in the country. 9. The Canary Islands. The Canary Islands are a group of volcanic islands located off the coast of North Africa. The Canary Islands are known for their beautiful beaches, stunning scenery, and mild climate. The Canary Islands are a popular tourist destination for people from all over the world. 10. The Pyrenees. The Pyrenees are a mountain range that separates Spain from France. The Pyrenees are a popular destination for hikers, skiers, and other outdoor enthusiasts. The Pyrenees are home to some of the most beautiful scenery in Spain. This list is just a small sample of the many tourist attractions that Spain has to offer, with its rich history, vibrant culture, and stunning natural beauty. Spain is a country that is sure to amaze and delight visitors from all over the world.